Come on. You're watching the Uncle Mike YouTube channel. Stick around. Well, folks, I'm already heading out. As you can see, I don't have nothing behind me. No tractor. It's because it's already there. I've already brought the Massey over here and dropped it off. So, I got to get over here and they put up a pole barn over here. And I'm going to go ahead and knock down the dirt next to all the pillars they put in. Because the way they drilled the holes, they wouldn't knock the dirt back down because they said that wasn't approved for the original quote. It's pretty sorry if you ask me, but I mean, I'll get in here real quick and knock them down, and then I got to grab some gravel. And I think they left a forklift over here, so I'm gonna probably have to move their forklift. I don't know. We'll see what's here. I mean, I looked at it a week and a half ago, and now I'm actually getting to go do it. So we'll see. Stick around. So I've got the Massey over there warming up, and they left this forklift in here. Pretty dangerous with forks out like that. But all of this here needs kind of knocked down. You can kind of see, I did a little pass yesterday, just kind of see if that's what they were cool with. And they said, yeah, that some of these mounds, especially, let's see, 1, 2, 3, the third one down right there, big old pile. You can see out there, they're not happy with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock all that down. And then they've got a pile of gravel over there. So I'll bring some gravel in because they said they don't want the mud from this clay. They said they're not trying to level out anything. They said just knock all this down, spread it around, and then there's that rock over there. So we'll bring it in here and dump some in. Now let's take a look at this forklift here. I've never driven one of these. I've driven regular forklifts, but gas. I do not see a gear selector. Oh, that goes backward. Hydrostat, I'm assuming. Let's take a gander. Oh, this thing goes in and out. Look at that. That's pretty slick. This is like a way bigger size forklift than what they put the sod in my truck with when I went and picked up some sod the other day. Those are your front stabs. Look at that. That's neat. Yeah, hydrostat. Old girl, easy. This thing's pretty heavy. Breakfast right here. Got it warming up. Little burrito. Small breakfast burrito right there. And then he got I went and got all that tin left over here, cleaned up, moved it over, consolidated a nice little pile, filled in some holes, and spread gravel throughout this whole thing here. Got a couple high spots in here, but that's all right. This stuff right here will be back over at one time and it'll get pushed down. Nice and clean in here. Ready for your trailers and motorhomes and boats. Oh yeah. I got the old Coyote out here. I'm getting these steel beams. I-beam here, I-beam here. doing a metal yard run. So go ahead, pick all this stuff up, get it taken out of here. There's some more over here, some purlins or something from a metal building. There's a pile of it out here I'm taking. So metal box here. This tore up third link. So we'll go out here and sift through it. This swing. Whatever this box is, that's aluminum. Hopefully it's empty. Probably a snake out here. That's the truth though. So let me rig this thing up and we'll get on with it. Found this old cast iron tub and look at that. Boy, something been living in there. Let's drag this thing out, get her loaded up. Now I'd say this thing's been there a little while. Shoo! Old oak tree grew up around it. I pop her out with pallet forks. I got her. Terrible bite on this thing right now. But I got her. I get this stuff cleaned up back here. So I've got this thing loaded to the gills. Just a bunch of trash. Getting rid of it. Cleaning things up. That crane's putting in that work, boy. The doozin'. Oh yeah. Pull this stump out. Getting after it today. A whole lot of work. No brush hogging. It's about done. I got the old Coyote over here doing a little bit of brush hogging. I just brought her over here to take me a quick lunch break and fixing to get back after it. I'll show you. Grass ain't been cut in about, I think, a month and a half. Some of it didn't grow that fast. Some of it grew like a weed. Let me get over here. Oh, big old hole right there. That's also why you can't run a lawnmower out here. Boy, it'd throw you off just about. Here's what I've already done so far. I think I've made 3 passes. 2 or 3, I can't remember. Like I said, that's some tall stuff. Just trying to knock it down for them. So you can see right there how them vines grow up like that. I'm just knocking it down. I seen over here y'all like this. Check that out. Someone lost some whoppers over here. I seen that. So I got a little bit left to do. Just stuff over here is pretty thick. Here it comes up past the front of this cart. So we'll keep on keeping on. That's all we can do.